Have you got too many PDF files and you wish they are all in one single file? I'm going to show you how to combine them with just a couple of simple steps. So make sure you watch this video until the end if you don't want to make any mistakes. I'm going to open the web browser on my iPhone or my Android phone, but this is also going to work on your desktop computer as well, so you can follow the same exact steps. Go over to google.com and then type Combine PDF. This will show you a bunch of different search results, and I will open this specific website in order to combine my PDF files. The website name is combinepdf.com, and it looks like this once you open the site. I will then click on this Upload Files option here, and I'll then open my Files app, because that's where my PDF files are saved. I will select these two files and combine them into one, but you can upload even more files if you need to. Tap on Combine, and after that, I'm going to download the files to my phone. This is the process of combining PDF files on iPhone, Android, or even your desktop. If you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you soon.